everyone, it's Miss Naz with a friendly tech tip. Maybe you're a student whose teacher assigned you a Google Cloud assignment and you have no idea what to do. Or maybe you're a teacher who just wants to make sure you're showing your kids the right way to submit a Google Cloud assignment. I am going to demonstrate that to you on this video using an assignment from Miss Jones, one of our wonderful math teachers. So, when you click on the assignment, you'll know it's a Google Cloud assignment because it has this same format and it has the same directions every time. Now, if you read these directions, you can probably figure it out, but we all know that we tend to skip the directions and just start typing away. The problem with that is we mess up. So, the Google Doc is actually embedded here in the assignment. We're on our Canvas page. We can see we're still on Canvas. We've got our dashboard over here. And you can type directly on this. So, for example, I can scroll down into the assignment and I can type something extra, like be kind. Or over here I can say, bring her a snack. And that's fine. And then when you're done typing, you hit submit right here, and it's turned into the teacher. The problem is that some of you are like, Miss Naz, this is a really small area to type in, and on a Chromebook, it's even smaller. So here's what you can do. I want you to notice I typed in be kind and bring her a snack. What this has done is it's created a link between you on Canvas and your Google Docs in your Google Drive. If I click this link right here, I get a bigger version of it. So now look, oh, I can see everything. I can see the directions. I can see the boxes I'm supposed to type in. But look right here, be kind and bring her a snack. What I typed earlier is already on there because remember I said they're linked. If I want to type something else, I could just type something else on here. But remember, so if I type that, great. But remember, I'm still in Google Docs right now, okay? We have to submit it from Canvas. But notice when I go back to Canvas, what I just typed in Google Docs is here because they're linked. Now, I already submitted it once, but then I went back and I added this nonsense as an answer. If I wanted to resubmit that, if I wanted to make that edit, I have to resubmit right here. The reason that happens is because what Google Cloud does is it gives you your own copy to work on, but when you submit it, it takes a snapshot or a picture, and that's what it sends to your teacher. So right now, Miss Jones just got a copy of my assignment with a bunch of nonsense on it, okay? So if I said, oh no, I don't want Miss Jones to have that, I'm going to go back, I'm going to edit, I'm going to take that off, and if I've made an edit, I have to resubmit, okay? You can always know for sure if you have your answers on there by looking on your Canvas screen. Make sure you're on Canvas, and then your answers should be showing up right here, okay? And then make sure you submit. And it's always just going to give her the copy of it. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your teacher because that way they can help you. Google Cloud is a great type of assignment, but it is a little bit different than all the other Canvas assignments. So there are some different steps. I hope that helps and have a great day.